Hiya! Chef Cookie Monster here. Me got ingredients. Me got me chef mustache. But me need you help to make delicious cookies. Yum, num, 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 num. So, let's get cooking. We making banana chocolate chip cookies. Listen carefully and follow directions. First, peel 2 bananas. One banana. 2 bananas all together. Next, add 1 cup brown sugar. 1 cup. Oh boy, that smell good. But me have patience. Me got patience. Next, we need 2 eggs. So, let's get cracking. 1 egg. 2 eggs all together. Now, for the flour, we need 2 cups. 1 cup. 2 cups all together. Okay, next up, we need 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon. Okay, last but not least, we add 1 cup delicious num num chocolatey chippies. Num num. 1 cup. Oh, you did it. Oh, and that looks so good. Num num. Oh, but me got to remember, no eat ingredients now, or me no eat cookies later. Yeah. Now it's time to stir batter. Me sing song to help me wait. Yeah. That's good strategy. Okay, let's get stirring and singing. Stir, stir, stir me bowl and follow recipe. If me stir and no eat, then me get cookie. Nice stirring, little chef helper. Okay, next, use rolling pin to smooth dough. Rock and roll. Get it? Haha. Wait now, then we can have cookies later. Gingerbread man. 1 cookie. Cut 2 cookies, please. 3 cookies. 4 cookies. 5 cookies. 6 cookies all together. Great job. Now little cookies go in oven to bake. Nom, nom, nom. Okay, help me set timer to number 5. Bake the dough until it all done. If me wait and no eat, then me get cookie. That tingling mean cookie's done. Oh boy. Oh, me take them out of oven and wait for them to cool. Yeah, then we decorate. Let's make cookie look pretty. Choose color and frost cookie. Beautiful and so delicious. Nom nom. Me got self-control. Me wait. we almost done. Now, decorate Cookie however you want. You so creative, me little chef. Okay, me no can wait any longer. In time to eat Cookie. Nom, oh, nom, 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 nom. So worth the wait. Oh, thank you. You know what? You did a great job cooking and waiting for cookies.
Sesame Street, Field Day Fun. To start, hiya.
Hello there.
Hola, amigos. Hi. How many players? 1. Choose a Sesame Street friend to play with. Vámonos, amigos. Move a Sesame Street friend to your corner. Vámonos, amigos.
I am ready.
Vámonos, amigos. Elmo will play with you. Let's play. Let's work together to collect foods and play games on our way to the Sesame Street Field Day Picnic. Let's spin the wheel. Ooh, it's my turn. It's our turn. Three. 1, 2, 3. A star. That means it's time to play a game. Sorted. Player 1. Let's play Sorted. Look at all these delicious and colorful fruits and vegetables. Let's try sorting the healthy food from biggest to smallest. Aha! Aha! Eating healthy foods helps keep your body strong, and they're very tasty too. To bring to the picnic. An orange. Did you know oranges help your body fight germs and stay healthy? Way to go! It's Elmo's turn. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, time for me to spin. 1. 1. Game time. Scrub it. Player 1, let's play Scrub It. Scrub the card to show the hidden food that we can bring to the picnic. Try to guess what it is, Oh, I know. It's watermelon. A new food to bring to the picnic. Watermelon. Did you know watermelon has lots of water to help keep your body hydrated? Way to go! Time for Elmo to spin. Player one. It's our turn. Is for everyone. Look around the room and find something that is soft. Get up and move around if you need to. Look around the room and find some. It's our turn. One. Ooh, it's my turn. Mystery box. I wonder what's inside. Click on the mystery box. Oopsies. Go back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. A star. That means it's time to play a game. Snack time. Player 1. Let's play snack prep. It's time for a healthy snack. First, let's cut up the food. Did you know oranges help your body fight germs and stay healthy? An orange. An avocado. Next, let's arrange the food on this plate. I love how creamy and yummy avocado is. Time to eat. Nom, nom, nom. A new food to bring to the picnic. An avocado. Did you know avocados help keep your heart healthy? Way to go! It's Elmo's turn. To spin. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Time for Elmo to spin. 1. It's my turn. 1. A star. That means it's time to play a game. Pop it. Player 1. Let's play Pop It. A great way to stay healthy is by eating all your colors. Pop all the bubbles with vegetables. cabbage. A carrot. Broccoli. Eating colorful fruits and vegetables helps keep me healthy. A new food to bring to the picnic. Cabbage. Did you